Hi there, I'm going to demonstrate a solar panel wireless doorbell, and it's hooked up to a solar powered charge controller here. You can see the green light, and if we shine a torch on this solar panel, the charge light comes up as well. Moving over to the main unit itself, that's it there. If we squeeze a tube just here, it will activate a doorbell. I'll show you again. So you press it there and give it another go. You can change the tune on the doorbell as well, and you can have it. Anyway, it's pretty impressive. There you have it.